The System Configuration utility, better known by its program name MSConfig, is ideal for troubleshooting PC boot issues and Windows problems. It also has the capability to control startup programs, as well as launch other troubleshooting tools to run this program. Press the Windows or keyboard shortcut and type MSConfig. Press the Enter key. The System Configuration window appears. This window features several tabs: General Lists, Startup Settings. Normal startup is the way Windows normally starts loading everything. Diagnostic startup loads only basic drivers, but not, for example, network drivers. This isn't the same as safe mode, as more of Windows is loaded in Diagnostic startup. Selective startup lets you choose what to load. You might see this item selected on a PC that can boot multiple versions of Windows, or a system that you upgraded from an earlier operating system, as is the case here. The Boot tab is where you find the Safe Boot option. This is an easy way to enter safe mode in Windows. You choose options for safe mode here, such as having the network available. You can also use this tab to select another operating system to load if one shows up in this list. The Services tab lists Windows services. These are mostly background programs that run while you use Windows. They start automatically. Here is where you can disable one of these startup programs if it's behaving erratically. To do so, you just remove the check mark by the item. Click OK to restart the computer and test this configuration. If the system runs normally without the startup service, you can either uninstall the program, remove the service, or just keep it disabled. Closely related to services are the programs shown on the Startup tab, but in Windows 10, this list is found instead on the Task Manager. So click the Open Task Manager link. To view the list of startup programs, these are programs that start automatically. To disable one for troubleshooting purposes, you select the program and click the Disable button. Finally, the Tools tab shows a list of various troubleshooting or system programs that help you configure Windows and resolve issues. For example, you can choose Windows Troubleshooting and then click the Launch button. Don't click OK, which closes the System Configuration utility. Instead, click Launch, and you see the troubleshooting page in the settings of where you find all sorts of help for tracking found various issues, from internet connections to the blue screen of death. Launch the Resource Monitor to view how your PC is using the CPU, storage, and other hardware resources. If you experience a slow PC, review this list to see whether one or more programs are running amok and consuming a lot of resources. Back in the MSConfig Utility Tools tab, you can access the Task Manager, the Registry Editor, System Restore, a whole bunch of tools. They're all here in one place, which is what makes this tab so useful. When you're done using the System Configuration utility, you click the OK button if you've changed anything. You'll see a prompt to restart the PC. Go ahead and do so. When the system starts again, any changes you've made take effect. After you troubleshoot or solve some startup mystery, you must remember to reset the system's configuration. For example, if you restarted in safe mode, you need to remember to uncheck this item. Otherwise, every time you restart the PC, it starts in safe mode with the same configuration. To start the system normally, choose Normal Startup on the General tab. Click OK. If prompted about BitLocker encryption, click the Yes button and click the Restart button to restart the computer and resolve whatever issue ails the PC.